IGBO AREA TV on the Igbo.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Nnamdi Kanu, October 10. You remember what is happening on October 10? Now we are talking about fair hearing, demand, and Diaspora petition to President Trump. This is very important. Yeah. So on October 10th, it's like we've not heard about Nnamdi Kanu for some time. And people are like, what is really happening? And that is why I'm here. You see, on October 10th, 2025, all eyes are on Abuja. The fate of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, will be decided as the Federal High Court rules on no-case submission. But this case is no longer just a Nigerian issue. It has captured the attention of the world, from the streets of Southeast to the halls of Washington. Before we go, remember the defense team of Nnamdi Kanu, they filed for no case submission. They looked at the whole thing, Nigerian, the prosecutor, the Nigerian DSS not being able to provide enough evidence for their claim against Nnamdi Kanu. So what they did, rather than defending nothing, they filed for a no case submission. Like saying, this thing, nothing there inside. Now, if this judge agrees with that, that is the end of the matter. Nnamdi Kanu will be discharged and acquitted. But we are waiting for October 10. We don't know. The judge might say, no, you have to defend what the DSS and the ones who is prosecuting him are saying. It depends. Now, let's further look at this. IPOB, through its spokesperson, Emma Powerful, has warned that Nigeria's judiciary is on trial. According to his words, the Nigerian government has been breaking its own laws just to detain an innocent man. IPOB insists that Justice James Omotosho must deliver judgment based on strictly on the law, not on political pressure. So, according to IPOB, Emma Powerful, he believes if the case is to go well, the leader of IPOB will be free. If things were to go well, according to him. So, October 10 is not just about one man. It is about the credibility of Nigeria's judiciary. Will Justice Omotosho uphold the rule of law, or will he, will the court once again be seen as the tool of executive, just like being used like it's being used during the election, as if the court is for some people, some judges acting, So IPOB has called on the international community to monitor the ruling closely. And the world has already seen how Kanu was abducted in Kenya, extraordinarily rendered, and kept in detention despite several court rulings in his favor. And for many observers, this case has become a test of Nigeria's democracy, justice system, and respect for human rights. If the ruling looks political, it will not only shake the trust in Nigeria's judiciary, it will also increase international pressure. And this is where the diaspora comes in. On August 28, 2025, 3 Igbo diaspora groups, the American Veterans of Igbo Descent, Rising Sun Charities, and Ambassadors for Self-Determination submitted a powerful petition to President Trump of the United States. The petition, signed by Kanu's international lawyer Bruce Fein, accused these Nigerian officials of violating international laws. They allege arbitrary detention, denial of counsel, and lack of medical care. There was about the time Nnamdi Kanu was complaining, he wants to see his own doctor. And I don't know if how they settled it anyway. So these are things these guys are accusing the Nigerian judiciary of, and the people holding Nnamdi Kanu. They said lack of medical care, and even approving the ex parte banning of IPOB without due process. IPOB is currently being proscribed in Nigeria, but just in Nigeria. IPOB is not proscribed elsewhere. So this particular group urged Trump to use the Global Magnitsky Act, a US law that allows sanctions against individuals who commit serious human rights abuses. So they reminded America that it has punished judges in Russia and other countries. So why should Nigerian judges who persecute Kanu be exempt? I remember some judges in Nigeria some time ago. Recently, after the election, some were barred from crossing some part of Europe and America. Okay? So the petition even compared Nigeria's judiciary to Nazi judges. Nazi during the time of Hitler. They ran sham trials, strong words, and it pointed to the invasion of Kanu's home in 2015. You remember Operation Ebweke, Operation Python Dance, where many agitators were killed. The message is clear. The world is watching, and impunity will not go unpunished. Now, if sanctions are applied, it will be historic. Nigerian judges and political figures facing U.S. restrictions, frozen assets, it deepen the belief that the global system does not care about Biafra's suffering. So, October 10 is a defining day. If Justice Omotosho rules with fairness, it could restore a little hope in Nigeria's judiciary. Now, if he bows to political pressure, it will deepen anger. It will fuel agitation and possibly invite stronger international reactions. And that is why this group is calling on the American government to look at this. America claims to be the defender of human rights, or the policeman of the world. This struggle is no longer just between IPOB and Nigeria. It is now between truth and manipulation, between justice and political control, between the cries of people and the silence of a system. At IGBO AREA TV, we will continue to bring you the truth, unfiltered and unbought. we cannot be bought. Now stay alert, stay informed, and remember, the destiny of our people depends on justice. October 10 is not just a date, it is a test of Nigeria's soul. Please share this video widely. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm Azuka. I say bye-bye for now.
Thanks for watching IGBO AREA TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.